back to Datatool. In this video I'm going to explain how to apply your Datatool DNA kit. In the box you will find a tube of microdots, tamper evident warning sticker, new keeper sticker, warning sticker and quick start guide. While we are using a motorcycle to demonstrate this, it is the same for ATVs and other vehicles. First, you will need to register your kit, and this is easy to do. Simply go to the link on screen or use the QR code on page 5 of the quick start guide that came with your kit. Once you have entered your personal information, you'll be asked to enter your DNA code and PIN. The DNA code can be found on the tube of microdots, and the PIN is on the sticker on page 5 of the instruction manual. Please study the relevant application diagrams for your vehicle. The diagrams can be found on pages 8 to 11 of the Quick Start Guide. Using the brush supplied, paint the dots and the forensic DNA onto the components or areas to be marked. When applying to painted gloss or matte paintwork or any other cosmetic areas, we recommend applying to an area that can't be seen, as the finish may look unsightly compared to the rest of the area. The kit comes with 3 warning labels, and it's important to know that these stickers can only be applied once. They cannot be removed once fitted. A warning sticker, which provides a visual deterrent to potential thieves. A tamper evident warning label and new owner label. Both of these labels aid both the police and future owners to contact Datatool. These should be placed under the seat area or in a non-prominent location. Thank you for watching. If you need any help or any assistance, please visit our website datatool.co.uk or call us on 01257 249 928. Bye for now.